Hi everyone, so this time we will learn about demonstrating that soil is a mixture of different properties. Okay, so first of all, there are two types of properties in the soil, which is organic and also inorganic. So organic properties in the soil is particles that come from the living things, for example, worm, plant, and inorganic properties is properties that not coming from the living things. Example, soil. Let's see how to differentiate soils in the mixture. Okay, look at my garden. There's a lot of plant grow, so healthy. So we will see what types of soil this area are. I have a jar, a glass jar, and shovel, and also soil. So let's dig the soil, get up the glass jar with soil. So make sure you break all the soil, and it's easy later on when we separate in layers. Fill up half of the jar. This half jar. Okay, next, I'm going to fill up water. Okay, I have put the water inside the jar and then fill up almost full. And then close the lid, shake it well. We're going to wait for a while until the soil is separated. A minute, we can see that this area has been filled up with the sand. I think the soil is still separating. This area, we call it as silt. And the top area, we call it as clay. And you can see there's a lot of organic properties on top of this. This is rock and also sand, the heaviest one. As you know, sand has the largest and feel gritty, and clay is very fine and sticky. So in order for both of this soil to be mixed, they need silt. Silt is the particles, soil intermediate in size between sand and clay. The properties of sand and silt and clay in the soil determine how effectively it holds water and nutrients. Sand, called a sandy soil, the drainage is drained very quickly because of the space between sand particles are empty and not filled with the small particles. Here, as the result, the soil are well aerated, drain fast, and do not hold nutrient well. Whereas the opposite one, which is clay, it holds nutrient well because the space between the sand particles are filled with the fine particles. Do not drain quickly. It is heavy soil and usually not well aerated. That's the problem with when you grow something. Make it better, then both of these being mixed up by the silt.